What are you looking at? That's my house. You can't have it.
Nicole, the house is literally going to be posted for sale. We're here to shoot the listing video. The house is going to be for sale to the public.
What? We're shooting a video today?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Nicole, what are you doing? We're supposed to be filming a video.
Well, I got out of the pool.
Get ready. Hey guys, I don't know where Nicole is, but she's taking forever and we have a listing to shoot. Can we just keep rolling, please?
Yeah, let's do it.
Perfect.
Here we are in this gorgeous cab over built in 2004, long-term original owners, built on piles. We have a great floor plan with the home that's seen upgrades to the roof, the windows, the interior paint and the exterior paint, and so much more. But there's so much of this house to see. Let's send you off and check out the kitchen.
And over here in our kitchen space, we have updated appliances, granite countertops, and a nice view of the backyard. It's a great space to be in.
And if you think that was impressive, there's so much more to see in this house, including these amazing hardwood floors, a secondary bedroom with tons of natural light coming in with the oversized windows, an awesome 4-piece bath with granite countertops, and of course, an even bigger room towards the back. Now this room you can use for whatever you want. They're using it as a chilling space, and I agree.
The moment you step into this home, you're welcomed by this generous sized landing, connected straight to your double attached garage and this generous sized closet space. Very practical, but there's so much more to check out. Let's head to the basement.
And down here in the lower level is amazing. Look at all this space. You've got these great corner windows letting in a ton of light. Doesn't make you feel like you're in a basement at all. And of course, a huge room, currently used as a playroom, but use that as an office with all this light. Who wouldn't love to work down here?
And if that wasn't enough, we have this full 4-piece bath. And this additional room here with the large windows again, and this amazing closet space.
And upstairs, this is your own private oasis. It's huge, great room for a king-size bed, huge windows letting in a ton of natural light. Nicole?
I'm ready. I'm ready to shoot the video.
We're almost done filming.
Oh, well, I'm going to the hot tub then.
Well, if they don't want me in the video, then this is where I'm gonna be.